Hello peeps, namaste, welcome to RoyalTube. So today we have a new product, that is Zebronics speaker. So let's open this quickly and check this one, how it is and how it sounds. As you can see on this box, they have mentioned all the features of the speaker like Bluetooth 5 FM radio, micro SD card, and you also get a space for holding a mobile here. And if you turn around here, you can see the pricing of this as 2499, 2500 nearly. But I bought this for 1600 rupees in Amazon. Now also it prices same only, and in the box you will get a speaker, aux cable, USB and a user manual. So let's open this box very quickly. So inside this box we have a speaker main unit, and we have a small box which contains all cables, I think. And let's open this box, and here we have an aux cable, user manual and normal USB charging cable type B. So on this user manual you have all the specifications and some instruction how to use its features. Okay, now let's see our main unit speaker, which is green color, and this is also available in black color also. So first let's talk about the quality of the product, and this is very strong. This looks strong and also made strong. So actually it has two speakers on both sides. We'll get little stereo type feel, and the quality of the rubber to hold the speaker also very nice. And this is all about its quality. Let's see few of its features and all. It has output power of 14 watts, means 7 watts of each side, left and right. So these are its features, and let's speak about the buttons at back side. And here we have on off button, and we have a normal USB charging slot, indicator light, aux cable, USB slot and micro SD card slot. So with Bluetooth, USB, aux and micro SD card we have 4 ways of connectivity. And on front side we have 4 buttons. One is for selecting mode, one is for reducing volume, and one is for playing and pausing music. So similar to others, by holding this volume up and down button you can play next some previous songs, and with the bottom button play pause you can pause and play the music, and with this M button, mode button, you can select all different types of modes.
Bluetooth mode.
Need to say about this FM, it is for just for namesake only, not at all useful. We'll every time get this sound only, gives sound. If they have provided an antenna it would be a better, but if you want to buy this only for FM, means I don't recommend it buying for FM because it is useless, and its Bluetooth connectivity is very good, and if we connected this once, and next time mostly it will connect instantly or within 5 seconds. So coming to its battery, now I am getting an average of 15 hours, and I am mostly using this at 60-70%, so I am getting 15 hours, and they have climbed 20 hours at 50% volume, so you would be getting 14-15 hours of battery at 60-70% range nearly, and it has 3000 mAh of battery. And you can use this while charging also. I like this feature a lot. It can be usable while charging also, no need to wait until it fully charged and then use. So you can keep this on charge and play music, and this is another good use. You can hold this mobile here and watch the video. It will be a nice experience. Okay, now let us do some noise. Yeah, I know you can't judge the music quality of the speaker by listening in this video, but it's just a sample. We'll say about the sound quality after this music. Yeah, this is very loud, and I got some shouting from my mom also. This is more louder than what we heard here. And coming to its bass, it is an average, not that good and not that bad, it's okay. And if you want a powerful bass speaker, you can look at other options. This is not that good at bass, but it's not bad too, and its trebles and vocals are good. So only cons that I have observed are FM radio and it's an average bass speaker. That's all, rest all good. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. If you like this, please subscribe to RoyalTube and bye.